How to log out of your Spotify account on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily remove your Spotify account or log out from it on your Android device. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Spotify and make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to log out of. In case you want to switch phones or want to log in somewhere else, you might want to log out of your current device just to be safe. So in that case, you first have to make sure that you're logged in. Now simply tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now this will pop up, or you can just swipe right on your screen to pop it out. And then from here, you can just head over to settings and privacy. Now, once you land on the settings page, the next step is really easy. You just have to scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you will find the logout option. Just tap on this one, and you will be logged out of your account. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you can just tap on it to log back in. This is a different account from the previous one. So if you want to log out of all of your account, then in that case, you can do the same here. Head over to privacy and simply tap on logout. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.